Koen Jonker, co-founder and CEO of TymeBank. The acquisition of Retail Capital by TymeBank, we believe, is a game-changing transaction for us. It enables us to give small businesses the one thing that we don't currently have in our value proposition, and that is access to working capital. We all know that small businesses in South Africa, owner-managed businesses and entrepreneurs, are chronically undercapitalized, meaning they don't have the money they need to buy stock and grow their business. By acquiring Retail Capital, we are actually bringing that capability into TymeBank through a market-leading, award-winning solution for small business finance. We believe that with Retail Capital, we really have a shot at revolutionizing small business in South Africa. What Retail Capital has done is they found a way to track the cash flows of small businesses and fund that cash flow into the future based on data they collect from point of sale devices and other data that is out there in the market. And this means that we can now provide working capital to businesses who would never in the past have had that access. TymeBank's value proposition to small businesses is really threefold. The first is, it is the easiest bank account to open in South Africa. Once you've got a TymeBank personal account, it only takes you 2 to 3 minutes to open up a business account. And you get a debit card with your business's name on in those 2 to 3 days. So that is the first great proposition. The second one is pricing. We have the best priced bank account in the market, which means that as a small business person, you can work for your own pocket. You're not working to pay your bank fees. And the third proposition is that we have really great cash management solutions. Particularly, we have the most cost-effective cash deposit solution in the market of all the banks, where one can deposit your business's cash at any Pick n Pay or Boxer store anytime that they open for the lowest cash deposit fees in the market. What we will now do with Retail Capital is we'll actually add to that proposition by also being able to fund the business's cash flow based on the data we see in the bank account and in the customer's point of sale device.
I'm Carl Westvig, the CEO of Retail Capital. This transaction with TymeBank is very valuable for Retail Capital. It gives us access to cheaper funding in the long term, gives us access to more products we can offer to our current client base. It allows us to access data on those customers and transactions, which makes the process even more seamless and the risk management better. And then it gives us opportunity to roll out internationally. So the small business sector has been underserved for many years now. And whilst we see new players coming into the market, no one's really dealing with the micro and small businesses and giving them the tools they need to trade, and also at the price point they need to trade. So once the regulatory approvals are through, Retail Capital, at least for the next 2 years, is going to remain exactly as they are. So the structures remain in the same place, and they'll continue focusing on funding small businesses on a day-to-day basis. My role will be broader within the TymeBank group, so I'll be involved in business banking from a broader perspective, but the current team in Retail Capital will remain as is.
We're in the business of clothing. TymeBank chose us because we are one of the businesses that trade with Brown Sense. We are Brown Sense verified businesses.
TymeBank has 0% bank charges on the transactions that we make, and we also make the transactions on the phone, so we don't have to carry a device. You don't have to carry a device on you, so that has become so convenient.